Welcome to Unleashing Self-Love, Crafting Powerful Affirmations. In this video, we will explore the art of crafting affirmations that foster self-love and boost your confidence. Affirmations are like gentle whispers to your subconscious, reminding you of your inherent worth. Today, we'll harness their magic to cultivate profound self-love. So let's get started. Step 1. Reflect on your strengths and qualities. Make a list of what you appreciate about yourself. It could be your kindness, resilience, or creativity. Step 2. Identify areas where you struggle with self-love. Are there negative thoughts or beliefs holding you back? Acknowledge them and be gentle with yourself. Step 3. Now, focus on turning those negative thoughts into positive affirmations. For example, if you feel unworthy, transform it into I'm deserving of love and respect. Step 4. Use present tense and positive language. Affirmations are most effective when they are stated as if they are already true. Therefore, it's best to use the words I am. Step 5. Keep your affirmations short and simple. Repeat them daily, out loud or silently, to reinforce their power. Step 6. Visualize yourself embodying your affirmations. Imagine feeling confidence, loved, and respected. Allow these positive feelings to wash over you. Step 7. Write down your affirmations and place them in a visible spot like your mirror or workspace. Remind yourself daily of your worth and value. Step 8. Consistency is key. Make affirmations a part of your daily routine. Revisit and revise them as needed to align with your self-love journey. Remember, self-love is a lifelong practice. Be patient and compassionate with yourself throughout this process. You deserve all the love and happiness in the world. Thank you for joining me in this journey of crafting powerful affirmations for self-love. Remember that you're deserving of all the love and kindness you shower upon others. Embrace the practice of crafting affirmations and witness the profound impact they can have on your self-love journey. Stay tuned for more empowering content. And until next time, keep crafting affirmations and nurture